package. Oh, I have a package. Let's see. Oh, I have a package. That's interesting. Okay, so I just get home 2 minutes ago, and in front of my door was a package. Big, massive package. Huge! So I'm gonna show you this package. The package is here. Yeah. I'll show you the package. Sorry about that. It says my name. I don't know if you can see. To Mr. Stefko. Yeah, so it's from Apple. So I don't know. Oh, maybe it's a new iPhone 8 edition or new iPhone X. So we're gonna see now. Hello, this is Stefko. I'm so glad. Yeah, I'm ready now. So we're gonna do unbox package. As you can see here, it says to Mr. Stefko from Apple. Oh, what? That's so interesting, man. That's so interesting. I don't know. Maybe it's the new iPhone edition, or maybe it's the new iPhone X, or maybe it's the new iPad Mini, iPad Pro. So yeah, this package just arrived. It was on my front door steps. So I'm so excited, guys, to see you, to show you that, because whoa, it says Apple, so can be big surprise. See, they did a nice package. They put my name. There's a flower here, as you can see, because it's summer. It's a good package. Okay, so let's, without further ado, let's unbox this bad boy. Okay, so first I'm gonna take the sealing. Oops. Yeah, I'm gonna rip it off. Oh. Actually, my camera just fell, but that's gonna make the unbox even more interesting. Okay. Let me take this off. Nice package, Apple. Thank you. Okay. Actually, the package is very good. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna fix my camera. It's not stable. Okay. So this is nice package. It says mini chocolate coconut macarons with real Belgium chocolate. This is from Apple. That's interesting. That's very interesting. Okay, so let's open the box. I don't know that Apple do chocolates and sweets, poppies. That's good, man. Why not Apple? They should do that. And also, you buy a new iPhone, and then you get a poppies mini coconut macarons. Good stuff from Apple. I'm so excited. Actually, the package is very good. This is a real plastic. Yeah, we're gonna do the bending test. We're gonna put this in a test in a few days. So yeah, let me know if you like this in the comment section. I can do the box bending, or I'm gonna try to do. Just let me know in the comment what would you like to see about this package. Actually, it's very good. I'm gonna leave this on the side. Oh, that's nothing else in the box. Let's see what is on the back. Some calories. Oh, actually, this is from Belgium. Oh, that's okay. That's good. Okay, so let's see now what is in the package. Actually, this is a quite small package for. Let's see what is inside. That's good. To be honest, this is a real paper. Let's see if it's a Yeah, it's a real paper. Let's see what's inside. Actually, I'm pretty happy with the package. It's a good oh! What is this? Oh, I'm gonna leave this on the side. Anything else? No, nothing. Oh! This is the new Apple Watch. Oh! I think this is the 4th generation of Apple Watch. Wow, I'm so amazed. I'm gonna put this on the side as well. I don't know what to say. This is a so interesting watch. This is the new Apple Watch. As you can see here, you can see the time. It's 10:31. Actually, it's not 10:31. It's 11:31. Oh, Apple, why? But to be honest, it's good. The quality is nice. I'm gonna do a drop test. Just let me know if you like to see a drop test. I can see here the date, the time. It's a good watch. Let's see if I press.
10:32 p.m. 18.5 degrees Celsius.
Wow, this is nice. Wow, the new Apple Watch. It's talking. It's like this. I think this is the new Siri, maybe. It says the time. It's some lights here. Let me try one more time.
10:32 p.m. 18.5 degrees Celsius.
18.5 degrees Celsius. Actually, that's pretty good. Okay, so here we go. You have it. This is the new Apple Watch 4th generation. Thank you so much, Apple. I'm gonna switch now the channel. I'm joking. Yeah, this is the new Apple Watch 4th generation. Let me know what you think. I think this is a great watch. I'm speechless. But I wanna do this one more time.
10:33 p.m. 18.5 degrees Celsius.
I can do this every day, man. Anytime. This is so interesting. Look at that. Look at that.
10:33 p.m. 18.6 degrees Celsius.
Yeah. So this was the new Apple Watch. Thank you very much for you watching this unboxing. I'm glad. Thank you, Apple. Thank you very much that you sent me first this Apple Watch. It's very good. It's nice. It's talking. It's good watch. It's good watch. I'm gonna do one more time this because I think it's nice.
10:34 p.m. 18.6 degrees Celsius.
Perfect. Okay, there we have it. The new Apple Watch 4th generation. Thank you very much, guys, and I'll see you next time.